everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add payment method on Google Play Store. First thing you do is open up the Google Play Store app, and then you tap on your profile icon, top right corner, tap on payments and subscriptions. Then you tap on payment options of payment methods, and then you delete the payment method, because if you don't need to be here, you don't want to delete, you want to add. So let's say you want to add the code. Through the code, you tap on the code. First, also type in the code and the card. So if you want to add the payment method of Google Play Credit, you tap on Google Play Credit, tap on how much you want, and tap on continue, and then you will add your credit or your debit card by filling in this form. You can also scan the card by tapping on this to scan the card. So it is as simple as that. Once you've done that, filling on this button, you tap on save card, and the $10 will be credited. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which you could talk every day. Thanks for watching.